Yo, today is just random car audio. And with that being said, got a fuse holder. I'm gonna put this one in place of the other one for my big three for my main power going from the alt to the battery. I got some Timco Silver 10 2-aught terminals. Here's the main thing I want to show y'all though. Right here, I was missing a cap on the backside, and I thought about taping it off, but these are very common. I've seen so many people taping these areas off. One thing you could do, well, what I did was I used some JB Weld epoxy, and I made sure that the bolt was recessed all the way into its little insert, and just epoxied that one, and then I epoxied this one too, but I found the cap. So while the epoxy was wet, I just went on and just smashed it down on there. So it's a solid fuse holder in my opinion. I mean, you know, there are other fuse holders out there that are a lot better, but this one here is, you know, it's a little bit on the economical side, but it serves its purpose well, and it's been modified, so it's a little safer, a little stronger, and I'm happy about it. I'm gonna show y'all what these are for. Just erasers, you know, random eraser, just like one of the big erasers that I cut down. And I'm gonna use these for cushions. They're gonna work very well. They're not too spongy, but they're not too hard. You know, just that eraser feeling. You know, it's just a nice amount of cushion, but not too much. So hopefully that helps out. All right, this is my bright idea. Instead of the old amp wire cushions, I'm using the erasers up under there. A little red, little blue action going on. I guess it matches the red and the blue action here. I don't know. But I'm going to eventually be cleaning up this stuff a lot better. And fixing my mess over here. I'm actually ordering some custom aluminum bars. Not even ordering them. I'm making some. You know me. So I got some electrical grade aluminum. I forget what it is, 6061 or 6011, or one of them numbers are for the electrical grade bus bar material, and I'm gonna go with that. I wanted to go with copper, but the way my bank account is set up, so close to that RCA, makes me a little nervous sometimes. Yep, but I got it. There it is. All said and done. So my old BS cushions are out and the real cushions are in. Yep. Get rid of the screw. And there it is. This is my slave. That's my master. And I'm ready to rock. On to the next project.
Oh yeah! Damn, I'm feeling so tripped.